Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy M23. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Here go into Side Key option and now need click here Activate, firstly your quick launch, and then you've got two options from the list, Quick Launch Camera or Open App. If you choose Open Application, here we got Settings button, tap it, and now you can choose from the list your application and click back to save. For example, I wanna try maybe open YouTube. Okay, and let's try. And how you can see, YouTube is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.